Hi class, my name is Jenny Miranda and today I'm going to show you how to calculate Unemployment Insurance Act. And the reason why I chose this topic was because someday you might have your own business and I'm going to show you just a little part of what payroll is about. So let's start with the federal unemployment and the state unemployment, which is also called FUTA and SUTA. Now, federal unemployment rate is 0.6%, and the state will vary. The state varies because it depends on the employer. If you have an employer who's constantly laying people off and they're going to the unemployment office, draws a check, it's going to cost a lot of money for this program on your state, versus an employer who doesn't lay off a lot of employees. They will get the lowest rate. If they take care of their employees, if they pay on time and in full their taxes, they will get a break. So that's a good tip right there. So let's go ahead and calculate the taxes on 3 employees. We have employee A, B, and C. Employee A makes $400, employee B makes $900, and employee C makes, employee B makes $700 a week. Employee C makes $900 a week. So we're going to go ahead and times this by 13 weeks. Why 13 weeks? Because every quarter has 13 weeks, and every quarter we have to turn in our taxes. So we're going to go ahead and multiply the $400 times 13. For quarter 1. So 400 times 13 gives us $9,100. I'm sorry, I skipped the first employee, but 400 times 13 on employee A is $5,200. Employee C makes $900 times 13 gives us $11,700. Now remember, the earnings per year is $7,000 per employee, okay? Per year. So it looks like employee A only made $5,200. They didn't get to $7,000, but that's okay. We're still going to pay tax on the $5,200. Employee B and employee C reached the $7,000 earnings for the first quarter. So what we have to do now is add the earnings for this quarter. So we're going to add $5,200 plus $1,400, and that gives us $6,600. Our next step is to multiply the $6,600 multiplied by the 0.06% for federal and the 5.4% for state. And what do we get for FUTA and SUTA? If we multiply that, we come out with $396 for the federal and $356.40 for the state. So this is what we're going to go ahead and send to these two agencies. We can either send it by mail with the 940C form, or we can do it direct deposit every quarter. So let's take a look now. Let's take a look at our second quarter, quarter 2. So you notice that employee A gets paid again $5,200. So we have $7,000 here, and he's reached the $7,000 now, but there's a difference. $5,200 and $7,000, the difference is $1,800. What do we need next? We multiply that by the 0.06%, which is for the federal. And we're going to multiply that by 5.4% for the SUTA. So for the second quarter, we're going to be sending how much? So if we multiply 1,800 times 0.06, gives us $108, and 1,800 times 5.4 gives us $97.20 for the SUTA. So again, we go ahead and send that to our agencies, and that's how we would do each quarter. Now let's say we did go to the third quarter. The third quarter, if you see that third quarter, do you see anyone that owes, that we need to pay any taxes in here? No, we don't. However, if we do hire a new employee on the third quarter, then we would do the same thing over again. And basically that's pretty much it for the unemployment insurance tax examples. I hope you learned something today. Have a good day. Bye.